Forget about plastics, and even worse, the wire ties. They leave trash in the fields, and like the biodegradable Ixu, they all mistreat your plants. Modernize the plant caring process with Boa Fang. It is simple, natural, and fast. Save time and make money with Boa Fang Field biodegradable tapes. No plant stress, no waste, and no wasted time. The plant and the planet-friendly tie of the future is available today. Some growers have already modernized, and now your chance? End your waste. Contact us through the web at www.boafang.com to find an authorized dealer in your area or for pallet pricing.